Ash. Hey, Tsumi, what's going on? Oh, we're just making some cookies for our bake sale. Do you want to help out? Bake sale? For what? Oh, we're trying to raise enough money to go to Asian, you know. It's pretty expensive, but that's it. For something. So you want to help ramen first? But, Ash, we're gonna make cookies. We don't have enough time for ramen. I think we could do both. And I already got the water. And I'm hungry. Okay, whatever. And a Pokemon Master needs his food. I guess I'll work on this cookies by myself. No! I will help. Don't make me angry, Tsumi! Kind of scared now. Where are you gonna turn? Into the Hulk? Maybe I will. Tsumi. Ever since you joined, I swear you're nothing but a pain in the butt. What are you talking about? You're a pain in the butt! How could you be so rude? I'm the only one who does the cooking around here. No, I'm making ramen. That's not classified as cooking. I classify it as cooking! Okay. Alright, okay, I can help you now. What are you doing? Okay, I'll help you. I'll help you a lot. Yeah, you're gonna help me eat it all. Well, no, we can't eat it for a bake sale. Cut. Got to me. Cut. Okay. So totally hanging out with Naruto today? Yeah. And you said that there was no Naruto class ever in Pokemon. I said, yeah, because I saw it. So did I, but for some reason, he has denial issues. We were supposed to go eat ramen, but we got in a fight. That's why I'm eating ramen right now. Ah, so you're depressed and you're eating ramen. No! You know, eating never solves your problem. I beg to differ. Can I have more? You're kind of already helping yourself out. My house. Did you put some Pokemon food in here? Pikachu doesn't like to eat Pokemon food. He likes ketchup. Like, oh my gosh! I ran in ketchup. He's going happy. Super delicious. Ash? This book is hilarious. What? Why are you reading now? You're supposed to be helping me out. I am trying to read. What book is that? It's Twilight. Everyone's reading it, so I was like, well, I'll give it a shot. But I thought you saw the movie already. Yeah, but everyone kept telling me the movie sucks ass and the book is way better, so I thought I'd give the book a try. Pretty boring. It's about a depressed girl who apparently needs to get laid. And you find that more interesting than helping me out with the big stuff? Surprisingly? I just wanted to make sure. I already saw Twilight and New Moon, and I'm a little turned on by the Wolfman. No more that! I want to catch him! I think he'd be fairly easy, so he can go into my collection. But wait, my friend, we borrowed this book, and she totally had something highlighted for me that she wanted me to read. Huh. And what was that? I don't know. Well, you know, I think you should get me off. It's about this guy who, like, never smiles, and apparently he's, like, shining in diamonds. Vampire shine in diamonds. I remember once I thought that ghost guy, and, you know, Pikachu got hurt real bad. You know, well, you know. No! I read something hilarious! And for that, he continued, don't know that word. I think we should hand This book is so stupid. Real men don't sparkle! Okay. No! I think this is enough for you. I think this is enough. Hope that ever dies. Go ahead! Thanks for giving us a warning. Were you done yet? Done what? Cooking? Or baking? Whatever you want to call it? No. Because I'm done. Ramen's delicious. That's not considered cooking. But it's considered delicious. Super hot! Maybe you should put that fork down. Maybe you should put that fork down. What fork? Does this look like a fork to you? That whisk is more dangerous than fork. I'll show you dangerous. Probably just not going to do that. Not in a homo way though. Me? Tsumi. Concert and serious? Yeah. What is it? I just Brock. Brock? You mean the guy who never opens his eyes and when he does no one notices? Yeah. Why? What's so special about him? He wants to go join Team 7 with Naruto. So, you like Brock, huh? He was my best friend. Oh, no, okay, because, I thought I was your best friend. That's okay. That's okay. Brock! Why did you go? I'm stuck here with Tsumi! Okay. Non-taken. Ah! Oh yeah, just dig in there. Dig. Oh! Tsumi, are you getting some kind of pleasure out of this? Yeah, I am. Actually. Well, I'm getting some satisfaction out of this ramen. Delicious noodle thingies. Me and Naruto used to eat ramen! Okay, first it was Naruto, then it was Brock, now it's Naruto again. Which is it? Sora. Hello? Hey, show what's going on? Me? I don't know, I'm not doing anything. Sure, we can talk. Uh-huh. Ha! I remember that day too. So anyway, what? What? Can you tell? When? Did you kill him? Oh my god. When was this? Because you know Tsumi had a thing with Grimjow. What? Oh my gosh, it's here. Here we go. What was that? Nothing. Used to go, had to go to school, so. Yeah, what was the last part I heard? Oh, you don't want to hear it. It's nothing. No, tell me, I'm kind of curious now. Oh, nothing. It's just about Grimjow died. I know you had a thing with him, but I'm sure it wasn't that serious. Grimjow didn't die! Rather like a billion times. No, he fixed me. Where's Tsumi? I don't know. Ichigo called me and he said that Grimjow died. And she tried to attack me and cut me open. And then I stopped her. Well, I didn't stop her, but she stopped her. Oh yeah! Some guys in white lab coats took her away! Oh. What do we do? I don't know. Can you eat some cookies? No! Real men don't
Yeah, it's just...
Why are you laughing?
That's the way you do it. Yeah. Well, I need
Where
a...
is it coming from? That was the end of Twilight.